So we've done Morrison's, we've done Lidl, we have done, who else have we done? M&S, that was the most recent one. So it is Waitrose's turn this time because we had a £15 voucher for Waitrose. So let me show you what we got. By the way, none of these are sponsored, but you know, if any of those supermarkets out there do want to like throw us a gift card, just throwing that out there. But anyway, so £15, what did it get us in Waitrose? Now, our local Waitrose has actually got a really good vegan selection. We got a few things from the vegan, a few things from the free from section, and just some kind of general grocery bits and accidentally vegan bits. So let's start off with the... Where to start? Right. This is from the vegan section. We've not tried this, which is why we've got it. It is the vegan corn ham slices. We've not tried any of the vegan kind of deli stuff yet, so that is why we've kind of added that to the list. Because we tend to get things that we wouldn't normally with these gift cards. This is from the free from section. We've got gluten-free, accidentally vegan, spinach gnocchi, which are those ones. So that'd be nice to try because we have some other stuff that can go with it. This is accidentally vegan and it is the char grilled aubergine. We sometimes get their free from pesto, so I hadn't seen this before, but I was thinking like these two would make a really, really nice combo. So we've got those. What else have we got? Piccalilli. Because I've never tried Piccalilli, so I thought I'd get just like a cheap little bottle of it just to give it a go. I do really like my pickles, so we will give this a go. It is like a mustard pickle, I think. A pickled vegetable relish with cauliflower, silver skin, onion and gherkin in mustard. How can that go wrong? That sounds good to me. We have got some of these. These aren't anything new to us, but we really, really like them. They're the chipotle and lime tortillas, and it says they are vegan. So mana masa, we get these quite a lot if they're on offer as like a treat because they're really nice. So I've got a packet of them. We've got, this is where we started to run out of things that were like specifically vegan that we wanted. So we picked up some, I won't even try and pronounce that. There you go. So little tiny bits of pasta, which we're going to put in a pasta soup, which we started making when we went to Bologna. So it's just like a vegetable soup with some little bits of pasta in it and some pesto. Normally we just use whatever pasta we've got, so we've used it with penne or I've just crushed up kind of odd bits and bobs, but this time we're going to use these tiny little stars, which would be nice. We've got a bottle of this. Now again, this I hadn't seen before, because Leo really likes the ginger version, but I really like rhubarb. He really likes rhubarb, so we've got the Belvoir apple and rhubarb, what's it, Preze. So we've got a bottle of that. We have got the last accidentally vegan thing, which is the Oaxaca soft taco kit, which is this one. Now we've got this from Sainsbury's before on our Nectar card points, but it was a different one. It wasn't this kit, so it was really good though, like really seriously good. So while we would never normally buy this stuff, it's found money, so it makes sense to give it another go. So we're getting the sweet and smoky Oaxaca soft taco kit, which is that one. And last but not least, because we had a little bit of extra left over on this £15, we got Gigi some jerky sticks because they're like his favouriteest thing, and out the corner of my eye I can see him approaching me and looking at them. Hi darling. It's for you. You're gonna come this way so I can show you that you're like interested. Hi. So yeah, that is everything. It doesn't seem that much for £15, but I don't know, it seems like we've got some better stuff than we did from M&S, because yeah, that was meh. But anyway, there you go, another grocery haul, this time from Waitrose, and yeah, looking forward to giving all this stuff a try. Give us a subscribe, check out Patreon, and I'm sure we will see you again soon.